everyone, welcome to our home, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys our Christmas decorations this year. So this is our front porch, and I am getting a nutcracker sign which I will be putting right there, and then as you can see I do have a little tinsel wreath on our door. This is our Christmas tree this year, and I absolutely love it. It's a 7.5-foot white pre-lit Christmas tree, and we did get this on bestchoiceproducts.com. I do have my little nativity set that I've had for years with the little wooden figurines and of course a baby Jesus. And then our tree skirt is actually from Temu. My mom actually picked up a few Christmas things on there, so she bought that for us. And of course I have all my favorite ornaments on the tree with my little Boston Terriers. And we did do the red and green and some white, gold and silver kind of colored ornaments this year, mostly red and green. And I did pick up quite a few at Dollar Tree. Some were from Lowe's, our little Grinch figure that we've had for a while. And then our tree topper was actually from Walmart. It changes colors and it's just really pretty. So we have a lot of ornaments this year that were new because we really didn't have a big Christmas tree for a while now. And I picked up some of the cutest ornaments at Dollar Tree. Highly recommend if you're looking for some cute Christmas tree ornaments to check out your local Dollar Tree. Of course, I have my Christmas countdown. I've had this little cute Christmas countdown for a while, and I put it on my bookcase just to give it a little bit of Christmas on there. I do have the little stuffed gnomes that I picked up in IKEA a few years ago, and I did do my centerpiece again this year with some new candles that I purchased at Michael's. All the centerpiece parts, though, however, are the same ones that I've had for the last few years. And I actually thrifted this little centerpiece garland candlestick holder thing. Also, I have my favorite little snowman that has his legs kind of hang off the side, and the little tiny stuffed little snowman figure as well, and the little Santa Claus, which I decided to put on our entertainment center, and this cute little dog with a Santa hat. We did decorate our artificial palm tree with Christmas lights this year. This is our first time having it in our house. It used to be in my parents' house, and I just absolutely love the way it looks with the Christmas lights. On our coffee table, I did get these little snowman coasters at a yard sale. I think they were literally $1 or $2 at the yard sale, so they're just really cute and add a little bit of Christmas cheer to the coffee table. And on our lamp, I do have our little reindeer guy. I think my mom gave that to me. It's just so cute. And then, of course, our nutcrackers I put on my little bar cart. Over on our actual island counter, I do have my Christmas village set up here. I figured this would be the best place for it since I could really kind of spread it out a little bit. So I think it looks really cute up there. It is kind of a hassle with the cords in like kind of behind it where the sink area is. So I have to just really be mindful to make sure I don't get any kind of water near that. But I do really like the way that it looks from the front as it's sitting there. So absolutely love my little Christmas village, and it just looks so cute. I did try to spice up things in the kitchen by adding a few little Santa figurines in here just to kind of give it a little bit of Christmas spirit. We also keep our advent calendars in the kitchen on this little table, which has a wine rack on it. And we have started opening those, of course, now that it is December. Very excited about those. I also picked up this little poinsettia, artificial poinsettia bunch in Michael's, and I put that over in my room slash art room slash recording area. I really like the way it kind of gives a little bit of Christmas spirit there. And then I do have this tea light holder for tea light candles, and I really love it. I've had it for a few years. It's so cute. Really not sure where I got it from. I think my mom might have thrifted it once, but I just love the way that looks. And then over in my husband's room, I did put him a little small artificial Christmas plant to just bring a little bit of cheer. I did get these cute pillow covers at Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. They're really cute, and I put them over some current pillows that we already have. And of course, our old little mini Christmas tree, I still held on to it, and I just put it in our room. Didn't put lights on it this year or anything, but I just really like the way it looks in our room. And then in our master bathroom, I did add this little arrangement in this little jug, I guess, that I got at Dollar Tree. I think it was last year, and I really like the way that it looks in there. I think it adds a little bit of something to that room. And over on the windowsill by our tub, I do have my little reindeer figures. Yes, guys, I even took Christmas into our toilet room by using these little bottle cleaner trees and this little red truck tray. You definitely don't have to spend a lot on Christmas decorations to have cute and meaningful Christmas decorations around your home. You can use items from Dollar Tree, Michael's. I've gotten some really great deals and just put together items that I actually really enjoy putting out every single year. Lastly, I did put out this garland above our window, and I did pick this one up in Hobby Lobby on a sale last year. Our outdoor area, we do have two new blow-ups this year, this Grinch blow-up and this Boston Terrier blow-up. And also my mom got us a little Grinch flag on Temu. And I do have my poinsettia arrangement. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing my Christmas decorations this year. Did you decorate for the holidays this year? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.